welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have my monthly review for February, and it is just hard to believe that we are already at the end of February. Seems like time is just flying by. I do have my journal here. If you have not seen that video, I will put that up at the top of the eye and also underneath the description. I love this journal. It has all my information in it. So it does look like we are going to be doing a whip and chat today, but I just want something to do so I could discuss what my goals were and also to go over what my plans are for March. So let's go ahead and get started. I am working on my dragon seasons. I'm hoping to have this finished by the end of March so that I can concentrate on my Josephine wall starting in April. If not, then I will have to get this done as well as work on the other one. This has to be finished before May the 1st if I'm going to win my bet with the husband. So I will definitely get it done. I don't have that much left to do, to be honest. So I am going to really concentrate on this one and we'll see what happens. So my goals for the year are to complete 4 Mandy Manzano paintings, and I thought what I would do with that was to go ahead and to work on one for each quarter. Well, the quarter does end in March. I really don't know if I want to start on one of Mandy's just because I already have one start that I'll be doing, and that will be discussed in a minute. But I may wait on that one and go ahead and just do 2 for next quarter, or maybe even wait until the summer and do 2 and just do 1 next quarter. So we'll see. I do have the ones that I want to do already pulled out, but I'm also going to have a 100 diamond painting celebration, and I don't know when that's going to be. It's I'm only around 84, I believe, that I've completed. So I'd like to have one of those. I think a princess panel would be great to have as my 100th, but we'll see. I don't really know yet. I may have to put some more wax in my pen, which is kind of silly when this is going to be kind of short, but anyway, I should have already checked on that, but it's not picking up very well. So that was my first goal. The second goal is to complete 500 diamond painting hours, and I'm having a hard time with this, keeping up with the actual hours, because I sometimes forget, and then I have to kind of go back and try to figure out exactly how many hours I worked on what, since I do work on multiples. I do not count my hours until a diamond painting is finished. So I did complete 1 diamond painting in February. I was hoping to complete more, but I completed the mini diamond painting set from Orloa. It's their first and only one as of this filming. I really enjoyed it. I am going to have a completion on that. That will be coming up, so I'm not going to talk about that today, but those hours were 14 hours and 30 minutes, which in some ways seems like a lot when you're thinking of minis, but there were 12 minis, and some had more confetti than others, but I really did enjoy it, so I am counting that as a win. So I have a total of 31 hours and 45 minutes for the year. Again, I have diamond painted a lot more than that. I've gotten quite a bit done in February in regards to my whips, so that was definitely a plus on my part, but they will get counted at a later date, so I'm okay with that. And then I have the third one is to complete 30 diamond paintings in the year. So now I am at 2. But I do have some whips and they're getting closer, so that will definitely be a win once those are done. And then the next one is to complete one mini kit per month, or a total of 12 in the year. So I have now completed one. I did not complete a mini kit in January. I have completed half of a mini kit. That is one that unfortunately I cannot show you guys right now. I don't know if I will be able to. It is from a company that wants to dip their toes into mini diamond paintings, and they asked if I would do the paintings and then get back with them and give them my honest feedback. So I have done that, and we'll see if I'm able to show it. They had asked me not to, so I'm not even going to show the drills. I may show the drills by kitting down, but not show anything else. So we'll see if I even do that. I'm not sure if that would even be allowed or not, because you can't really tell much by just looking at drills that are being dumped into a bag. But we'll see whatever I decide to do on that one. But I will count that as a completion, and I will count it as a completion in March if I finish it then. I do have several minis that I had kitted up in the past and just haven't done them. So I'll probably work on one of those first for Paint Gym. For instance, I have the plant edition kitted up, and I may go ahead and get that one done. It's actually the oldest one that's in my mini stash. And then I would like to order some more minis from other companies to kind of branch out. I did order 2 from Diamond Art Club, and they actually came in yesterday. And so I will show those. I want to unbox them on my channel because I've never even seen them, and I haven't unboxed a Diamond Art Club in forever. I haven't even seen the new toolkit. I haven't seen how they're doing the perforations, where they have the lines and you can, automatically, you already have the perforations for you. I hadn't seen any of that. Of course, that's not going to be on the minis, but I would like to just see the minis too, because I haven't even seen those. So that's something else that I will have on my channel coming up. So if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, so you will be able to see all of my upcoming unboxings, and also working on some new diamond paintings, not only with Diamond Art Clubs. I haven't even done a Diamond Art Club, just a one that I've had in my stash in a long time either. So I'm excited about that. So I want to go through and try the perforated cover and see if I like it, or see if I don't. More than likely I won't use it, but it'll be nice just to be able to see it so I can have something to discuss with you guys that have already seen it. And I've had several that have asked me, how do I like it? And I can't really respond because I've never seen one. So that's something that will be upcoming. I'm not sure when on that. And then the next one is to slash my older stash from 2020 until my 2023. I'm not going to include 2024 because that's still fairly new. And I won't really know this answer, how much I have slashed my stash quite a bit, but I won't really know the answer to that until after we move, because I don't see any point in getting super organized here. I got out of the habit of being organized at our last house. I just honestly didn't do it like I should have. Normally I'm a very organized person. So once I move my diamond paintings into our new place, then I want to go ahead and get those catalogs in, and then I want to go back, look at all the dates, and then see what I have from 2020 to 2023, and then see what that percentage is going to look like. I don't even know how much that I want to really get that downsized. I'm thinking like 20 to 25%, but it just depends on how much that I have. So that will be something that I can definitely discuss in a later video, probably towards the summer. And then what I have going into March is continue working on this one. I also have my Hannah Lynn that I am close to finishing from Art and Soul. And I wasn't sure with things that have happened between with Hannah Lynn and Art and Soul recently, where they have had to remove her all of her paintings from their website. I wasn't sure if I should even show that one, but I've been working on it for a very long time. It does look good. And so I did reach out to the owners of Art and Soul and ask them, would you prefer that I did not show this, and if I will show the finish, I will take a picture of it, show the finish, but what about a video? Would you be uncomfortable if I did that? And they came back and they said, no, it is totally fine. So I am going to show that finish on my channel, and I am showing that because of my love for Art and Soul. And I have several Hannah Lynn's that are in my stash between Diamond Art Club and Art and Soul. And then I haven't bought any yet from Dreamer Designs or Aloha or from Bella Art. And I'm not sure right now. I have so many anyway, but I may just wait and see on that. So I've had several people that have reached out and have asked me, and that's all that I'm really going to comment about it. I'm not going to comment on anything else about how I feel about it or, what's going on or anything like that. So that's all that I really want to discuss on that front. But just wanted to let you know that I will be showing that one because I have worked hard on it, and it shows how well that Art and Soul renders all of their paintings. So hopefully that will be finished in March. I don't see why it would not, because I only have 3 sections left, and that is my painting that I work on in the evenings or when my husband and I are watching TV or just doing things together in our family room. And so I will work on it then. So I don't see a problem with that one being finished. And as I mentioned, this should be finished in March. If not, it will be finished in early April. But I am going to really focus on this one to get it finished. And then I have White Christmas that is in my whips. White Christmas has about 2 rows left. The rows are kind of large on that one. So I'm not sure if I will get that much of that one done, but I don't want to focus on that one, and it's Christmas, so it will still be here. And I am going to be starting on a Reagan Kubitschek that I am really excited. I have several of hers in my stash from Art and Soul, but I haven't done any of hers, and they all look so much fun. I am going to be doing Memory Care Bear, and that one I did unbox on my channel recently. I have not even had a chance to go through and kit that one up yet, so I'll be doing that in the next week so I can get started with it. I will also put the link to the Facebook group where Ditzy and Shay are hosting, and I am helping them to moderate. But I will put that information out there, and if I happen to forget, please ask me, because I say I'm going to do it, and I do some of these videos early, and then I forget about putting it underneath the description. And it's not that I don't want to do it or I'm being lazy. It's just that I just forget. I just downright, honestly forget. So stay tuned on that, and you will also be able to see other Reagan Kubitscheks that I have. But that's the only one that I plan on starting in March as of right now. Now, it may change if I get some of these finished before the end of March. I may go ahead and kit up another one. I'm not even sure what I want to work on next other than getting ready for the Josephine Wall event. That one is going to be huge, and my diamonds are ready. They've been ready for years. I purchased that at the end of 2021, got it in 2022, and it's a square diamond painting, so that's going to take a while, and it's very confetti heavy, but I am so excited to share that with you guys. That's another video that's also coming up. And if you did not see that Reagan Kubitschek, then definitely check that one out, because you may want to join the event if you have a Reagan. Also, Art and Soul does have a few limited canvases from Reagan Kubitschek that they actually have in stock. They don't usually keep stock, but they have some on hand, and you could contact the owners and let them know that you'd be interested. There's a limited handful when you go on to the Facebook group for the event. You can look and see. It's a fairly recent post, so you'll be able to look on there and see what's available. That's all that I have for you today, guys. I am planning on continuing working on this beauty some today, and then I'm going to be boxing up my craft room, so be thinking of me, because I have so much craft stuff between card making, between Bible journaling, between personal journaling, and then of course diamond painting. So that's going to be my day, but I'm definitely going to work on this one. Hopefully I can get a couple of sections done over the weekend. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.